Today, I'm going to show you how to use the HubSpot integration with SurveyMonkey, step by step, so you can connect both tools quickly and start working more efficiently. This setup is great if you want to sync survey data with your CRM, organize responses better, or save time by connecting your marketing and feedback workflows. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. All right, let's get started. First, go to HubSpot and log into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the top right corner and click on Marketplace. This is where you can find apps and integrations that connect with HubSpot. After that, click on HubSpot Marketplace to open the full Marketplace view. Now you'll see a search bar. Type SurveyMonkey into the search bar so HubSpot can show you the correct integration. When the SurveyMonkey app appears in the results, click on it to open the app listing. On the app page, you'll see the details for the integration, including what it does and how it connects with HubSpot. The next step is to click Install. This starts the connection process between HubSpot and SurveyMonkey. After you click Install, you'll be asked to fill in your login details. Make sure you use the correct account information for the service you want to connect. Once you sign in and confirm the connection, the integration will be added to your HubSpot account. From there, you can begin using SurveyMonkey with HubSpot to bring your data and workflows together. This integration can help you manage survey information more effectively and keep everything in one place. If your goal is to make your marketing, customer feedback, or lead management process smoother, this is a simple setup that can make a big difference. And that's it. You've successfully installed the SurveyMonkey integration with HubSpot. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another step-by-step tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.